Bookie bookie boo. Let me stop. Y'all know I have dancing at slow wig. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today's video, as you read from the title, will be initial review / install. So yeah. So the wig that I will be installing today is from Ulysses. Yeah, it came in a little cute silk, what is it called? I call it Crown Royal bags, drawstring bag. So it came in this little cute bag or whatnot. But yeah, let me show you guys the wig. Enough talking. I know y'all tired of hearing me talk. Let me show y'all. Okay, so I have opened the wig. I have already opened the wig, but I kind of put everything back the way it was so I can reserve it. Reserve or preserve, one of the two. Okay, so this is the here, you guys. Oh, why my camera look that color? What? Y'all, I look crazy. So this is the hair. The curl pattern is gorgeous. Smells like hair. It doesn't have like a fishy stink smell or anything like that. But yeah, I haven't brushed through it. This is just me rubbing my fingers through it, the curl pattern right now. And I'm gonna put it on for you guys so you guys can see. Okay. Y'all, I don't want to mess my eyebrows up. Okay. We're just gonna put it right there for now. So I had a lot to do with this wig, y'all. I gotta bleach the knots. I gotta pluck the front. Y'all, look at this. So this is 30-inch hair. So I'm 5, y'all. I'm a tall gal. I'm tall. So I'm about 5'10" and a half-ish, something like that. And this wig is 30 inches. So hold on, let me show y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Not the ass, because they ain't not back there. I talk about the wig, honey. I talk about the wig. Oh, yeah. Wig is I'm tired. What the hell? The density of this wig is 250%. That's why it's so thick. Now, you can't get yours less than me, but I like big head because I got a big head or whatnot. But yeah. And y'all, also this wig did come with a cap and there's something else in here. Oh, okay. And an adjustable in a band. But my hair big enough, I don't need no band. Because I both different. Okay, y'all, let me let's work on this wig. Come work on this wig with me. So tonight I'm gonna show you all. When I walk with you, I watch the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, I'm in it on play. Playing on the confidence. So playing on your measurements. Shut shit down sight. That's right. I can trip it. Okay, you guys, so This is kind of sort of the finishing look. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to wet one side so you guys can see how the hair curls up. That's a lot of hair. This is a lot of hair. Okay, so I'm gonna wet one side and put conditioner on it so you guys can kind of get a idea of how it how the curl pattern is. And also, you guys, so you know the frontal is going to be a little shorter than the rest of your bundle, so keep that in mind just in case you're looking for a wig that's all the same length. And y'all can tell from the beginning of the video I had way more energy to this because I'm freaking tired. It's late. I gotta be up early in the morning. Y'all, my energy is gone, but I'm just gonna try to keep it energized for y'all. Down it a little bit. I don't want y'all to see my fupa though. Okay, so hold on. I'm gonna add a little conditioner in it. Yeah, my mama bought some conditioner from the dollar store, and that's what I'm gonna put in here. I don't put down on my hair, my natural hair conditioner in my wigs. No. Natural hair products is too expensive for that. Okay, so here is this side, which I'm gonna do both sides, but y'all, this hair so freaking thick. I'm not even touching this part. Oh, you see that hump right there? That's my braid. Oh yeah, that's my braid. Got a hump right there. There we go. It's going. So this is the hair all nice and wet. Y'all see that? Oh yes, honey. Yes. But you guys, I'm gonna wet both sides. I'm gonna do both sides. I'm gonna flip. You guys, I think that's the end of my video. I'm tired. As you guys can tell, my energy has gone depleted from the beginning of the video. I had all the energy in the world, but now my energy is getting depleted because I am freaking tired and it's late. But on that note, you guys need to follow me on my social media, my Instagram. I'll leave that all down below. Instagram, Facebook is like mostly family friends. TikTok, y'all might be on TikTok. Your girl be TikToking. I will leave all that, and also Snapchat. I will leave all the information down below so you guys, yeah. And also, when you're down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please. And hit that like button as well. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. But I'm outie. Hair flip.